keep pushing it towards the wall. Yeah, I see it. Get that bubble. Good, now let it settle.
Bring it to the center. Line up the painting there. Roll out the rug carefully. Plug in the lamps and check the lights. Arrange the pillows just right. Keep grinding. Move the ladder. Grab the vacuum. Okay, let's start with the base cabinets. Got it. Watch the corner. Lights hooked up. Check the alignment. That's it. Final placement on the bowl. Keep it even. Don't miss a spot. Pour slowly. Let it blend. Just the edges now. Okay, let's lift together on the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
Center it more. Yeah. Looks good right there.
Careful with the table.
Lamp is on.
Move the lounger to the left. Place the cushions on the chairs. Check the lantern on the table.
Keep the pace up. Passing the screws. Check the level here. Up. Passing the screws. Check the level here.
Keep grinding. Pass the bucket. Move the ladder here.
Keep it steady. To the right a little.
Got it. Watch the floor.
Almost there. Let's get the art.
Yep.
That's perfect. Now the table. Hold that. I need to check the level. Okay, looking good. Let me grab more tiles. Watch your step. Cable here.
Keep these straight. Yes, placing the centerpiece now. Fire is on. Looks perfect.
Den mänskliga åtgärdet det fiker bleven about the tostig that score corsen Colander's bass make fair that first start and when they go running to bad member.
Lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Careful with the headboard. Pass the wrench. That's good. Now the rug. Okay, straighten the art. Lights are on.
Fastweets nanochuder. Akten lustigt supplement the tiza bat. A deca prosidi porchilding in a bell. I vidal you can your grand stack off in polnet. Evisa pon.
All right, let's clear this out. Scrapers on walls, brooms on the floor. Watch the conduits. Bags over here. Clean and ready to go.
Let's center it beneath the windows. Perfect. Unroll the rug now. Hand me the mattress, please. Mind the pillows. That looks just right.
Let's bring everything in.
Okay.
Okay, placing the cutting board here. Careful with the bowls. Just need to polish this. Looking good.
Perfect. Okay, here we go. Up, up, watch the wall. Looks level. Hand me the drill, check the alignment, pass the faucets, flip the switch.
The house looks beautiful. Almost done here. Let's test the lights.
Keep sweeping that dust. Okay, I'm grabbing the grinder. Move the ladder over there. All right, almost done.
Almost there. Just need the centerpiece.
Looks perfect.
Turn on the lights.
Keep it clean. Make sure that's smooth. Grab the roller.
Time for the windows. Grab the grinder. Primer's next. Time-lapse begins. Epoxy application started. Spreading now. Finishing rolls. Time-lapse ends. Cleaning up.